வெல்கம் பேக் டு தி எம்ஆர் அகாடமி. இது மாணவர்களுக்கான தளம் மட்டுமல்லாமல் வேலை தேடுபவர்களுக்கான தளமாகவும் மாற்றமடைந்துள்ளது. In this video for 11th standard computer science and computer application students, chapter number 5, working with Windows 7. Already we are discussed one part from the last video. Now we are going to see the further part 2 video. உங்களுடன் நான் சக்திகுமார், M.Sc B.Ed, computer science, PG assistant in a private school. Let's come into the video. Here in this video already we are discussed about the working with Windows, that means chapter 5 for the computer science and the computer application students. Part 1 video already we are discussed. In this video we will continue with this chapter 5 working with Windows 7 part 2 video. And here the topic is Windows desktop. Already we are discussed up to mouse. Here we will start with the Windows desktop. Nowadays most of the people have smartphones and moreover have laptops and somebody have desktops. So each and every one of these kind of devices have desktop. If they are using smartphones, means the starting screen having a lot of icons are there, shortcut icons. The small images is there, that is called icons. That starting screen is called desktop, right? Whenever we dealing with Windows, that Windows 7, like this kind of desktop is there. We are focusing like this. Here we have a lot of small images is there. These are called shortcut icons. Just we double click on this any one of the image, that particular software will be opened in shortcut manner. Just double click, right? And we have moreover these icons are there, and start button is there in the desktop. We are point out the start button. This is called start button. Just click on this and have some menu and have some icons here. This is called taskbar, and here we have some icons. This is called notification area. This bar is called taskbar, mentioned here. These are all called icons. And these are gadgets. Some of the gadgets we are used here, calendar, clock, and other things also is there. This is called Windows appearance. Date and time is there, and some of the features are there. And the next one is icons. Graphical symbol representation, window element like folders, files, shortcuts. That means these are the maximum of these things are shortcuts. This kind of yellow color file is called folders, and this is also folder. It will have like a briefcase model icons is there, and these are all, each and every one is software, and this one is my computer, and other things, files and folders are there. This is are the media VLC player, media player, VLC player is there, and K7 is antivirus software screen, and these are the things. And desktop, anytime we suppose we are using many of the applications we are opened, that means directly we need to go to the desktop, means we need to minimize each and every one of the software opened on the screen. But directly we need to go means we can use window key. That means that in keyboard we have window key, that key plus D. Directly use this keyword, directly comes to the desktop on this screen, right? And icons are separated. Icons is called a GUI based application. The Windows is called the GUI based applications. These applications have these icons. Icons are, we can categorize. First one is standard icons. Standard icons means whenever we install, we are ready the system. Suppose Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10 and Windows XP, any one of the OS we are installed on the screen, in default we have some icons on the desktop. Here these are all not in default icons. Some of the icons is there as a default, but lot of icons we can set in future, right? Then what are the things, what are the icons or default means? Standard icons means my computer, document, recycle pin and my network places, those kind of some of the standard icons, right? And next one is shortcut icons. Shortcut icons, already I said, suppose we are install a PowerPoint, that means install a Photoshop software, means that Photoshop icon will be after installation, that will be asked some question. You need to be whether you need to be place the icon on the desktop, like that inform that question will be asked to the user, and we are selecting yes means that icon will be set on the desktop. Shortcut icons. So many of the Google Chrome icon is there, and Firefox icon is there, K7 icon is there, Adobe Reader is there. So shortcut icons, that image will be for files and folders we can place on the desktop. And disk drive means my computer is also there. If we are selecting the disk drive, that my computer means that screen will be displayed like this. What are the drives are there? C, D, E, F, G, H, I. If we are creating more number of drives means the drives are displayed like this. And the window, everyone, this is called a window. It's an application window. Any one of the things we can open a rectangular size, the window is displayed on the screen. First of all, application window and document window is there. Application window is this. Here, the outer line window is this one, right? And inner side means file, edit, that document. This is the document window, and this is the application window. So this is the working area. We can separate the application window like title bar, menu bar. This one is standard toolbar, ruler, document area. This is also ruler, and scroll bars. These are the things. Each and every one of the application window, we have this much of this kind of all the information. This is only the working area. We can't do anything. We can type on just we can use and place the things we can insert on this document window. But so we need to type on the window means we can use this much of space. And then elements of window. Elements of window, I already said what are the things that are there in the application window means. First one is title bar. Software name is there. If suppose in default untitled number 1, that is in default. If suppose we have stored this document means what name we are given for the document, that name will be displayed here. That much. And in this title bar have minimize button, maximize button and close button. This is the corner of this window. This is called title, and this much is called borders. Each 4 sides are having this borders. Minimize, that hyphen symbol is minimize button, and this is one is maximize the window, and this one is close window. and this is called menu bar, file, edit, view. And what are the things that have in this menu bar means file, edit, and view, insert, format. These are the things are there. And we can create a new window and we can store the window. Additionally, we can press Alt or F10 brings the focus on the menu bar. In shortcut, using F10 function key, we can focus the menu bar directly without using mouse. Okay, and drop down menu is there. Suppose click on the menu bar means file menu means that menu will be dropped down like this, right? This is the common organizer window, and we have this. We can insert some of the layout in the application window. And workspace. Already I said that this is the area we are using as a workspace, right? And then scroll bar. I already said 2 sets of scroll bar is there. This one is vertical scroll bar. We can down the page and up the page. And this one is left right scroll bar. We can scroll left and right. And corner and borders. Corner and borders means already I point out that just on the edge of the window and 4 sides of the window is called corner and borders. And drag and resize, we can move the window like that. And after that, a start button. Explore the computer means start button is the first one. Start button, we have this. This is, suppose we are click this button, this is the start button, and window button is there. That will be displayed like this. All program is placed here. Suppose we are click all program means what are the various softwares are there inside the system. All the softwares are listed out inside the all programs, and some of the basic menu options, basic computer settings options are there. And run command is there, and some of the control panel is there, my computer is there, games, and what are the things are have in the system. All the things are listed out on the menu bar. That means start button. And taskbar, the horizontal line. This one is taskbar, horizontal, like it's a vertical window. On the bottom of the screen, horizontal bar is called taskbar. The taskbar, suppose we are minimize any one of the window, that window will be converted as a button that will be placed here, like window document. Document means like this, and Excel sheet like Firefox. Each and every one like this. And shortcut icons also is there. Some of the frequent softwares. Suppose we are click this option means that will be open, right? And next, the taskbar, we have in the end of the right corner side, we have like this show hidden icons, like these things is there. The default language is displayed as EN, and network symbol is like a computer symbol for network icon. If we are click this, network places is opened, and volume adjustable is here, and hidden icons is here. Suppose we click this and explore some icons, and this is date and time is also is there, and the arrow pick button is there. Suppose click on this and it will be open something, right? And then computer icon. Computer icons means that means my computer. In older version, that my computer is displayed. Newer versions like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, that will be called as this PC, right? This PC is clicked like this. Here, the my computer will be displayed like this. XP is my computer, Windows 7 computer, Windows 8 this PC, and Windows 10 also this PC as my computer is something developed and changed, right? And starting and closing application means If we are trying to open any of the software means, directly we can go to the start button, and then that start button lists all the software. We can choose any one of the software and we can open it. And if we want to close means want to start means we can use this method, start button and some other thing. Select the particular. So this is the image representation. Suppose we click on the start button, like this kind of screen will be displayed, and we can open it, choose it and open it. And another alternate method is like this. Just click on the start button and select the run option, run command, and that window is like this. Software name we can type here and click OK means the software is opened like this, right? We can open it. And if we need to close means just we can click on the close button, we can close it, right? It's the end of this video. Thank you. We will see the further things in part 3 video. Nandri, Vanakkam.